Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing something truly special for all the Peppa Pig fans out there.
BookTube Kids.
It's the ultimate Peppa Pig book collection. Let's dive in and see what's inside. Here it is, the blue box of the ultimate Peppa Pig book collection. I can't wait to see all the amazing stories inside. Let's open it up. Wow, look at all these books. This collection is packed with fun and colorful stories. Let's take a closer look at some of the books included. First, we have check this out. We have a trip to the moon. Peppa goes on holiday. Peppa goes boating. George and the noisy baby. The toy cupboard. Peppa's first glasses. The wishing well. School bus trip, Horsey Twinkle Toes, George's new dinosaur, bicycle race, Peppa's first sleepover, fun at the fair, Peppa plays football, new shoes, the rainbow, Daddy Pig's office, Peppa Pig's family computer, Mr. Fox's shop, George's first day at playgroup, Daddy Pig's lost key, stars, the fancy dress party, Peppa goes swimming, Tooth Fairy, story of Prince George, Peppa goes camping. Pedro's pirate treasure, garden games, recycling fun, Peppa's circus, the train ride, Peppa's new neighbors, Grumpy Rabbit in space, George catches cold, ballet lesson, Peppa's sandpit, dentist trip, Peppa plays basketball, nature trail, the naughty tortoise, cold winter day, Peppa meets the Queen, Miss Rabbit's day off, George's balloon, Daddy Pig's old chair, sports day, the children fete, Peppa goes kind, tiny creatures. The illustrations are bright and colorful, and the stories are sure to be a hit with kids. Both of these collections are perfect for any Peppa Pig enthusiast. They make great gifts and are perfect for bedtime stories or learning to read. Thank you so much for joining me on this unboxing adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified about my latest video.
Booktube Kids.